Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to export contacts in iCloud. Let's start. So, exporting contacts in iCloud is for me, is one of the most helpful for the reason that all of your contacts are actually stored in your iCloud. And say, for example, you purchase a new device or your phone is stolen and then you would need to get the contacts again. So you could definitely export your contacts through your iCloud. So I'm going to show you today. I'm using PC. You could actually do this in Windows. You could also do this in MacBook or basically in your iPhone as well. So I'm just gonna show you how it's done using my iCloud.com in Windows. So first is if you're on your in your home page in your iCloud, just go to Contacts, and then if I want to export this particular contact, all I need to do is just look for the gear icon, guys. Okay. So when you click on this one, it would give you this option wherein either you would want to select all, or I just want to export this particular contact just for this tutorial. So you hit or you choose export vcard. Okay, so just click on that, and then you would be able to have this one. And then once you export, you could already send this to to your phone, or you could already get this number from here. So how it's done, it would just locate where it's located on your folder, and then you could basically send this to your iMessage. If you're using MacBook, there's a way for you to just put this on the iMessage, and then you could send it also from there. And then you could also send us an attachment as well. So you could definitely keep this contact from your iCloud. Okay? If you want to learn more about iCloud, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please hit on like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.